Hey everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you are all having a great Tuesday. I am the Vortex Trader and today we are on Bitcoin. We have a 4-hour bull flag in play. Let's check it out. All right, guys, so before I jump into the 4-hour time frame, before I show you this bull flag, just a quick reminder to check out our website. The link is below in the description. We have some fantastic, and let me tell you, fantastic traders that are all posting their thoughts and analysis on a whole bunch of different markets, all your favorite markets, all your favorite pairs, all your favorite stocks. Check it out. It really is a fantastic resource, right, for learning and watching to see how these profitable traders place their actual trades and to learn to see what they see. Okay, so let's get into it. Here is a daily ascending channel, right, on the daily chart for Bitcoin, and we can see we have had a nice bounce off of the bottom of this channel, which is fantastic. Now, notice that with channels, price always respects the middle. There are always points of interest across the middle. So my target for this bull flag is going to be the middle of this channel. Check here. Look here. Wicked perfectly as support, right? The middle line. Resistance. You see these wicks? Wicked through, support, came back up, support. Wicked through, treating it as resistance, came back up, support. Wicked through as resistance. Do you see how this is an important area on the chart? So when we go into the 4-hour, let me show you the flag, and now you can understand why the middle of the channel up here is my target. All right, now this to me looks like a great bull flag, right? The pattern is there, so let's just put, there we go, just like this. Let's put another one underneath as the support right there. All right, guys, so we can see that we have what looks like a flag, right? How do we start off with a flag? What are the things that I like to look for? Well, I always like to look for impulsive volume when we are forming the flagpole. This means nothing but bullish candles as a flagpole, right? And we have nice strong volume to accompany it. Yes, then as price tapers off and consolidates and takes a breather, I like to see volume do the same thing, right? Because the bulls cannot push the price up without coming down. We need to take a breather. We need to set some new orders, right? We cannot just push up, because then it would just crash. So here is our pattern forming, and it always looks like a bull flag. Once we see an impulsive move upwards, we see a small retracement down. It's the same thing as seeing something like this. Higher high, higher low, higher high. The higher low, this is this area right here, this sometimes looks like a flag. And what happens after that? We see another impulsive move upwards. Right, so let's delete that. Cool, so we have our volume, we have our impulse. Now what I am looking at is this. I'm going to put a zone around the very top of the flagpole, just covering from the bottom to the top of those wicks. Right, this we will call our flagpole zone. Okay, the top of the flagpole zone. Okay, now what I want to see is the price break this zone. I want to see price break out of this flag. I want it to, there we go, there's my arrow. Break above this yellow zone, close above it, right? But I also want to see volume come back up with this break. We need strong volume, strong green volume to accompany this break upwards. If we get that volume and a strong move up, then I will be looking for a retrace back into this yellow top of the flagpole zone. Okay. Once we get that retrace, then and only then will I be looking at a long entry targeting the middle of the daily channel around the $25,500 price point, which to me, it suggests a nice round number, right? We do have price structure respecting the middle of the channel, even in this 4-hour time frame. Look at those wicks, guys, beautifully touching the middle of the channel as support, 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 resistance, resistance, wicking through. You see, this is why I will target the middle of the channel. I also like the idea of the price being around 25.5. Right, to me, that suggests a nice psychological sounding number. But remember, I will not enter into this position unless we get that impulsive break upwards with strong volume to prove it. Then a retrace, preferably with a retrace. I like to see low bearish volume, and then I will enter. Now, if we see something like this, this could easily be a fantastic trade, especially depending where you enter and where you place your stop, because we could easily get a 1 to 4, 1 to 5, right? And that is exactly what I will be looking for. However, yes, I will be taking profits on 1 to 2 and 1 to 3, but ultimately the goal would be to reach this area right there. Okay, but if you're taking profits at 1 to 2 and 1 to 3, that is successful, right? That is a successful trade. So let's see what happens, right? We don't know if price is now sitting currently at its third tap at the top of the flag. We don't know as resistance if it's going to reject from here and come back down and retest the channel bottom. We don't know that, right? We can only trade what is given to us, okay? So if we see this setup perform how I like to enter into these flags, then you can be sure that I will be going long. All right, guys. So on that note, let's wrap up today's video. If you found this information helpful, won't you please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, help us get to 100 subs, guys. Share these videos if you find the information very helpful and valuable. If you are a newbie trader, if you are interested in trading these sorts of patterns, leave a comment in the comment section. Check us out on Facebook. You can check out our website below in the description, like I said at the beginning of the video. And I will be seeing you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.